Hold your breath. Make a wish. Count to 3. Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look, and you'll see.
Let's go get some candy. Yay, yay!
So it's a rare day here in Santa Monica because it is 1, raining really, really hard, and 2, because we are going to the grand opening of the Candytopia Museum. So I haven't really looked.
Are we gonna eat candy?
Too much candy.
We're gonna eat, I think, a lot of candy. I think like all kinds of candy.
Daddy wants to get cavities by the end of the day. Ooh.
Eat cavities.
Yeah.
So from what I've read, the Candytopia is supposed to be like a real life, sorry about that, Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. I haven't really looked at many of the pictures or the other information about it, so we're sort of going at it blind. But I kind of get the vibe that it's like a museum of ice cream, but candy themed. So we will take you along with us and explore Candytopia. So
Are we really there yet?
we're almost. You smell the candy? Are you excited?
Just so you know, you are the first group ever into Candytopia.
Where are tickets?
So welcome.
What's going on?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and candy connoisseurs of all ages, welcome
No idea.
to
You have no idea.
Candytopia. Feel free to touch and interact with the candy displays, but please be gentle. Candy has feelings too.
If you want to view paradise, simply look around and you'll get anything you want to do it. Want to change the world? There's nothing to it. Grandpa, this way, Grandpa. There's no life I know who can compare with your imagination. Everything there it will be free if you
What'd you draw? You drew a chicken? Candy breakfast.
Concrete turns to golden white. Toffee airplanes taking flight. Licorice branches shade your eyes. Not just blue but rainbow skies. Snowflakes fall like powdered sugar. Swedish fish swim in the river. La 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 la
Ooh, I think this is my favorite room. Whoa. Oh, don't fall in the hole. is like the big bucket. This is mommy's favorite kind. Ah!
Go, go, go!
Oh.
Hi, I'm still eating candy. I got 3 sacks of marshmallows. So good.
So,
I'm all hyped up.
review of Candytopia, it was awesome. I'd give it like 50,000 stars. It was way better than the Museum of Ice Cream, I would say. So if you like the Museum of Ice Cream, you will probably like Candytopia
You're gonna love
even
this.
more.
Go, look.
So everyone is jacked on sugar and it is only like 11 a.m.
Jack Debo Mountain Dew.
It's only 11 a.m. at this point, so we'll see how the rest of the day goes. But yeah, definitely check out Candytopia. It's good for all ages. What'd you get?
A marshmallow
Where was it?
from the candy festival.
Was it hiding in your hood?
Yeah,
Yeah. Did you like the Candytopia?
yeah, it tickled me. Subscribe to my channel of the Marshmallow Mountain.